for apple and A for aeroplane.
B for ball, B for book.
C is for cat. And C is also for cap.
D for doll, D for doll.
E for elephant. E for egg. F for fish. F for frog. G for grapes. G for gorilla.
Look, Humpty. H is for hen and H is for horse.
I for ice cream. I for ink. J for yug. J for juice.
Look at the letter K. K is for kite flying high and kangaroo jumping by.